Studios in Boston. WBZ News at 6 starts right now.
An Everett family in shock tonight after the death of a loved one less than an hour after arriving in Haiti. Good evening. I'm Lauren Lemanchek. Thanks for joining us. Miriam St. Germain had just arrived in Port-au-Prince when she was killed. As Michael Rosenfield explains, her family is trying to understand the senseless act that claimed her life.
Devastated family members of Miriam St. Germain sharing their thoughts about the woman they adored and her senseless death.
She died for nothing.
At 40, Miriam was the oldest of her 7 siblings, and she was the leader who took special pride in organizing all family events.
Our family has expanded tremendously, and she's there for everything.
Miriam was traveling to her home country of Haiti for a 1-week vacation. She took this photo as she made her connecting flight. And then, just 30 minutes after arriving in Port-au-Prince, her driver was stopped in traffic, and 2 men on motorcycles came up to the car with guns.
They demand money. The driver had money, so I think they believe they've collected $1,400 US money. And then they said they need more, and my sister said, well, I might have a change in my luggage, let me just reach out for it. And the driver said as she turned, and then that's how they shot her.
Miriam, a healthcare worker at Harvard, was a mother of 2, to 10-year-old Max and 7-year-old Elijah.
She have a special child who she loves so much, and she's always worried about him. How is he going to manage when he gets older?
The family wants justice for Miriam and a full investigation.
And we don't want to badmouth our country, but things need to change, and it needs to change now.
The family has lots of questions about how quick the police response was and how good was the care Miriam received at the hospital. They wonder if she could have survived. They're fearful they may never have all the answers. I'm Michael Rosenfield, WBZ News.